Happy birthday to you. Okay, here's what I got you. I knew exactly what to get you since you sent me that link in my text messages.
It's what I always wanted. How did you know?
So,
yes.
Hope you like it.
I love it. I want it to go right here.
I knew.
You knew?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's put it on. Hi, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel. Thanks for joining us. This is the place you come to check out campsites and learn tips and tricks to make your camping adventures more fun. All right, today,
Let's do it.
you guessed it, we're putting this on. Rachel's birthday present. It's all clean, ready to go. So here we go. We'll speed it up so it's not so boring.
Ta-da! That was easy and fun, and thank you very much. Happy birthday to me. Yes, I did send him the link. We are really excited to be filling some more of these in the next year. We got to decide just how epic we want the next year to be. We already have some plans. We're making some more plans. And do you guys have one of these? Let me know if you do, if you pick the same one, or if you like this one, we'll totally drop a link and you guys can get that one if you like it. I chose this one because I like the photos. Some of them I thought were cheesy and I thought this was good artwork. We decided to put it here because on the back, you know, the tire's in the middle and it like just barely didn't, it fit, but I don't think it looked great. The front we have that diamond plate, what's it called? Diamond plate studded
Protection.
stuff. So that can't go there. So, and I could have put it on an outdoor stove, but then I was worried about heat from fire and cooking. So we decided this would be good. And also when we're not using the camper, this will be protected.
Rose.
Yeah. So it'll be protected from the elements over the winter as well, even though it is supposed to be weatherproof, but I feel a little safer with it right here. Thanks for watching our quick little video about my little birthday present. Have a great time. Happy camping from Adventures in Pop-Ups.